When was the last time you saw the world in a new light? A new electric experience is coming to you. The all-electric Genesis GV60. The GV60 is a premium small EV that stands out in a crowd. It has all the right stuff: leather, fancy paint options, big wheels, a premium sound system, a pair of 12.3-inch screens housed behind a single sweep of gently curved glass, and a rotary shifter that rolls out of sight when the power is off, replaced by a crystal sphere. There's even a cutting-edge touch, facial and fingerprint recognition. The all-electric Genesis GV60. It's about time.